This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Destiny Graves, case number SB 1069059, counts 1 and counts 2, SB 172478881, SB 1724805, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SB 1724836. Appearance for the city, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Graves.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Destiny Raven Graves. That's capital D, lowercase ESTINEY, hyphen, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES. I am appearing specially and not generally. I am here in good faith and under the protest solely to address the matters raised in my plea abatement. I am not here to delay the process, but to ensure proper identification and lawful jurisdiction are established in the record.
What you just heard is peak sovereign citizen theater. Destiny Graves doesn't even start with her charges. She starts with spelling her name like she's testifying at a spelling bee. These sovereign citizens believe that writing your name in lowercase somehow separates your real self from your legal fiction. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. The court doesn't care about your font choices.
Before any further proceedings.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or no?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I said today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Would you like counsel to represent you or not?
I actually am not open to proceeding until we establish jurisdiction over the living woman. That's Destiny, lowercase ESTINEY, hyphen, capital R, lowercase AIVYN, colon, capital G, lowercase RAVES.
Okay. Jurisdiction has been established if you are Destiny Graves. If you're Destiny Graves, if that's your name, then unless you have some other view of the court rule and you cite a court rule, the court is going to feel the jurisdiction has been established.
I understand, Your Honor, but respectfully, the name in all caps represents a corporate legal fiction. I am here as a living woman, not as a surety or a fictional entity. I respectfully require the court to establish, for the record, how to obtain lawful personal jurisdiction over me, the living woman, separate from that.
Here's where things get surreal. Destiny argues that the court has no jurisdiction over her because she's a living woman. This line, the name in all caps represents a corporate legal fiction, is straight out of the sovereign citizen playbook. They twist legal terms into fantasy law. But the judge stays calm. Notice how he keeps trying to bring her back to reality. If you're Destiny Graves, jurisdiction is established. That's the moment where real law collides with conspiracy.
Well, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond. I can either give you into the breakout room with the city with an attorney, and he can help you proceed, or you can proceed and speak to the city attorney yourself to see if you can work this matter out, or I can set a jury trial date and the matter will be resolved on the jury trial date. Which one would you like to do, ma'am?
Are you asking me if I would like to proceed for trial?
Yes.
I will respectfully, Your Honor, I would like to.
This next part is where judge's patience is tested. He's literally giving her every fair option, a lawyer, a deal, or a trial. But Destiny refuses to even pick one. Instead, she throws out UCC 1 to 308, a clause about contract rights, not criminal cases. She's mixing contract law with criminal procedure, and it's painful to watch. This is the moment you realize Logic won't work on someone who's already decided they're above the law.
Reserve all my rights under the UCC 1-308, and I object to these proceedings under protest and duress. My appearance is special and not general. I do not consent to the court assuming jurisdiction through presumption. If this court insists on moving forward without proving lawful authority over the living woman, I must note a violation of due process for the record.
Okay, so, I mean, if you can't give me an answer to my question, then I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room until you can figure it out, and we'll move on to the next person.
What is your question, Your Honor?
I asked you, do you want to see if the attorney can get you an offer and speak with the attorney? Or would you like to work out an offer with the city yourself to resolve the matter? Or would you like me to set a jury trial date? Those are your three options. You keep on saying that same stuff is not going to change what your three options are, okay? So that's that. I don't need to hear that same recitation of what you just mentioned a minute ago. Now, what do you want to do?
So I'm sorry, respectfully, Your Honor, I do want to know, is this denying the abatement plea?
Say that again?
Is this denying my abatement plea?
I'm not getting into this, ma'am. I'm gonna pass the matter. All right, let's go to,
By this point, the judge is done. He's heard living woman more times than anyone should in one hearing. She keeps demanding to know if he's denying her abatement plea, and the judge just cuts it off. I'm not getting into this. That's courtroom code for enough nonsense. This is what happens when internet pseudo-law meets the real legal system. These arguments sound powerful online but crumble in front of a real judge. Destiny probably walked in thinking she'd outsmart the court with wordplay. But the system doesn't run on vibes. It runs on facts, law, and evidence. Watching the judge keep composure through all this? That's professionalism. At the end of the day, it's a reminder, legal sovereignty isn't declared, it's earned through responsibility, not rebellion.